How to use Google Drive Forms video. Online forms are one of the most efficient tools I can think of, period. Google offers a free forms tool included in Google Drive that will open your eyes to online forms. It may not be the ultimate forms tool, but the price is right. In the following video, I take you on a basic tour of this fine addition to Google's suite of productivity tools, and show you how to create an online form, share it, and gather the results. The ability to create a single form and have dozens, or hundreds, or thousands, of users enter data into that form is the definition of the effective use of one's time. So take advantage of Google Drive today, and let me know if you have done so, or plan to do so, in the comments below. Lifehack Editors picks Lifehack's editors hand-picking the best products to improve your life. Read full profile. The alert beep for low battery serves as a death call when you're running late for work or are out on the town and need to make a call. Luckily, a super convenient alternative to your regular charger and charging wires is available in the form of power banks. Easy to carry, lightweight, and affordable power banks have become the perfect companion for every mobile phone. In order to assist you in making the right choice for the purchase of power banks, we have compiled a list of the best power banks to guide you. Why trust us? The importance of a well-charged phone cannot be underestimated. Keeping this in mind, our team has gone through many reviews and product descriptions present on the most reliable tech websites. From the smallest and lightest portable chargers to those that come with several years of warranty, our featured power banks will not let you down and will be worthy of your investment. As the best power bank the market offers, Anker PowerCore has a battery of 10,000 mAh, which can charge 3.5 iPhone 8 or 2.5 Galaxy S8 chargers. The power bank has PowerIC and voltage boost technologies, which can charge your phone in no time. Large size to capacity makes it a convenient item to carry in your pocket. To ensure the protection of your device, this power bank from Anker comes with a multi-protect safety system. The box also includes a portable charger and micro USB cable. You can carry it around safely with the included travel pouch. An 18-month warranty and friendly customer service are also included to give you a perfect power bank experience. Made of top-quality materials, the INIU power bank charges your phone 1.4 times faster with our Power Plus technology. It works smartly by identifying your device and simultaneously increasing the current output. What's great is that you can charge two devices at the same time. INUI recognizes its place as the thinnest lightweight power bank on the market. The pour indicator on the power bank illuminates its remarkable design, and it includes a flashlight inside, which can be used in emergency conditions. You can charge the power bank quickly with a micro USB or a Type-C cable. Consequently, it'll save you the hassle of finding the specific cable for a charge. INUE comes with a 3-year warranty to give you peace of mind. An all-in-one power bank solution for your needs. MADI includes two 10,000 mAh battery packs. The power bank contains two USB output ports with an equal amount of current distribution. While one can charge 2.4 times for iPhone 10, 3.6 for iPhone 8, and 2.2 for Galaxy S9, you won't be needing a socket anytime soon. You will be able to charge the power bank in 5 hours at 5 volts and 2A. MADI contains a reliable lithium polymer cell, and you can also carry the power bank on a plane. It can power off and on automatically if the device is disconnected for 30 seconds. This portable charger is compatible with 99% of smartphones and is one of the cheapest power banks available on the market. Anker 20,100 mAh PowerCore offers a huge amount of battery capacity. As one of the best power banks on the market, the 20,000 mAh battery capacity can charge an iPhone 8 almost 8 times or an S8 5 times. In addition, the power bank can hold a charge for up to 7 days. So you don't have to plug it into the wall again and again. You can use the voltage boost and power IQ recharge to charge a phone efficiently and quickly. The power bank is also pocket-friendly and certified safe as it ensures protection for your smartphone or tablet and you. Its dual device output enables you to charge up to 2 devices at the same time. Anker is made out of premium material to give you the best durable power bank on the market. Another Anker. The Anker PowerCore 13000 portable charger offers a huge battery capacity in a sleek design and has the ability to charge an iPhone 8 up to 5 times and an iPhone 10 or an S9 3 times. You can also charge your phone or tablet with the 2 high-speed ports that are included. Anker comes in a smaller size than that of a wallet and is one of the best lightweight power banks compared to its battery size. Anker is 30% lighter than most other power banks. Power IQ and voltage boost technologies are included for fast charge devices. Power IQ also identifies devices to calibrate the charge to your phone. Anker has surge protection technology and short circuit prevention. You can rest assured that it will take care of you and your devices. Plus, you are covered with an 18-month warranty. GETIHU offers high-quality power banks with their 11 years of experience in the market. The GETIHU portable charger has a certified lithium-ion battery, which gets it the approval for airline travel. With the help of an LED display, one can know how much battery is left. You can quickly charge up to 2 devices with 4.8 amperes at the same time. High-speed charging is accompanied by a smart IC to auto-fit your smartphones. It can work with both big and small Android devices. GETIHU can easily fit inside your bag as it is slim and portable. Choose to take it with you with the travel pouch and feel comfortable taking it everywhere as it has a 3-year warranty. Anker PowerCore offers a massive battery, which makes it one of the best power banks on the market. The 26,800 mAh worth of charge can charge phones more than 6 times. It has 3 USB outputs so that you can charge 3 devices at the same time. Power IQ and voltage boost make the high-speed charging available for all 3 devices. You can charge the whole power bank in 6 hours. The 2 micro USB inputs double the recharging speeds. It is light and durable, which makes it the best companion for your travel needs. The Multi-Protect safety system protects you and your devices. Friendly customer services and an 18-month warranty are there to provide you with the peace of mind you need when you get the Anker PowerCore. RAVPower offers a vast battery of up to 16,750 mAh in size. It can charge your iPhone 11 2.5 times, S10 for 3.3 times, or an iPad for a full charge. With a current output of 4.5 amperes, it can charge up to 2 smartphones at the same time. You can quickly charge the power bank with a 2 ampere charger in about 9 to 10 hours. The flashlight is included in the power bank for emergency use. RAV is also tested against high temperature. Its iSmart technology tests your device for the optimal current value needed. Premium batteries comprised of lithium-ion can charge a device more than 500 times. RAV power bank features a controlling IC and iSmart technology. These come together to offer a fast charge for your smartphone or tablet. You can take your iPhone 11 from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. iSmart 2.0 can adjust according to your charging device and offers the necessary current. It's possible to charge up to 3 devices at the same time with 3 outputs. The portable charger can be charged within 4.7 hours with the ultra-fast charging, thus saving you 40% recharging time. RAV can fit comfortably in your pocket or your hand. An LED digital display shows you exactly how much charge is left inside. High-end lithium-ion batteries, along with protection technology, give you peace of mind wherever you take this power bank. The LANLUK 25,800 mAh portable power bank can charge your phone 5 to 7 times. And it is perfect for any type of work that you are heading out for. You can charge up to 2 devices simultaneously with the help of 2 outputs. The high-quality lithium A+ polymer battery is used to give you peace of mind as the power bank protects itself from overheating and overcharging. The portable charger is compatible with nearly all the phones and tablets. 18-month customer service is available to give you even more peace of mind. It is an all-in-one power bank solution for your needs. Choosing the best power bank is a bit hard task as there are many types of power banks available in the market. The one that you'd like to choose must depend on your needs. If you will go out for a long hike or a long trip with no power socket input, then the one with a bigger battery will be useful. However, if you need a solution to charge your phone while in the office, then something with a lightweight and durable design will be a better choice for you. Text source, lifehack.org.